Okay, to turn off activity detection, you actually have to go to the top right corner to that icon there. You push your icon, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Google Health Settings. From there, you'll have to scroll down some more here, and then eventually you're going to get to Preferences, and then you'll see Activity. All right, now from here, you'll see all the activity stuff going on. You have to scroll all the way down here, and then you keep scrolling, and there you'll see activity detection, 3 activity types. You push that, and then now right there, you just toggle off activity detection. Right now, you can see it's on, and then you turn it off, and then Google will have some things that'll pop up there. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on activity detection, and then I'm just going to go to the walk activity there, and I'm going to adjust the duration. So 10 minutes or longer, it says there. I'm just going to push that. So minimum duration 10 minutes. That means it won't activate till 10 minutes. So if you're walking, you have to walk straight for 10 minutes, and then it kicks in. So now I'm just going to adjust that time. I'll just increase it to, let's say, 20, 25 minutes or so. So now with this adjusted, now it won't activate till 25 minutes of walking, then it'll kick in. So I'm just going to move it back to the 10-minute mark. 10 minutes is the minimum time. So that means you have to be walking consistently for 10 minutes before it kicks in, and you can't go any lower than that. And yeah, after that, it's set to a minimum duration of 10 minutes. And then I'm just scrolling back here, and then eventually going to get back to the main screen. So yeah, there it is. That's how you do it.